Guys, welcome back. We are taking on day 2 of the rear suspension retrofit. All the pieces are cut. Just a little bit more trimming to do on a couple pieces, and we'll start welding. We'll start putting it together. I got some bolts as well, some new hardware, and I'll show you what else I got from eBay. So let's get started. Oh, hi. Welcome back. Okay, so we made some progress. As you can see, we've got some goodies right here on the workbench. So I'll show you what I picked up. As you guys saw this one already. This is for the top mount. I've also picked up some hardware. So here's the airbag. It's an Airlift 2600, I think. Just a cheap one from Amazon. Top mounts are in, new ones, and some hardware that is too long, so I'll have to trim those down a little bit. But basically, as you saw on this mount, the bolt can slide right through, and here's your mount. So the top will go up to the carrier. This will allow it to articulate. I've picked up 4 of these. These are from Winterfab on eBay. Really nice stuff on there. And the plan is for the center bar that goes across. We're going to weld this onto here, onto either end, and basically this is going to be the whole center portion. There will be a welded strap that will come on to the rear differential. So thanks for the person who commented in the comments. I can't think of the name right at the moment, but I will absolutely take that recommendation to weld this onto here, so this will be able to stay up inside. So that's this. Also, weldable bushings. These are 2-inch. Got them from airbagit.com. Also another guy on eBay. So again, not very expensive, but basically it comes with some polyurethane bushings in either end with a 5/8 sleeve. Sleeve will go inside. Basically it'll stick out a little bit, so it leaves you a little bit of room here for welding. This is the new arm that goes across. That used to be cardboard, but now is shiny steel. I'll be reinforcing this section, as this will be pulled up by these bolts here, nice stainless bolts. And so this I don't really want to bend or deform, so we're going to add a piece of flat stock on top of here, a little thicker, and then your airbag mount goes on top of here like this. So I will have to do some figuring out, some measuring to see how close I can get or how close I can stay away. And then perhaps even I can do it up on an angle, something like this. And then this bag will be kind of on an angle. This way I can support here and support here at the same time. I might run that bar right up through here. I'm not quite sure yet, but I definitely want to reinforce this. And then this weldable bushing will be cut and then put here on the end basically. So this will be notched out. This will all be welded on here. This will be now a point of pivoting. For the front, remember we had some bolt rubbing issues on the front. So I've got some tapered bolts. We're going to have them inset on the steel, so this way the bag won't rub. Either this version or this version, so the button end. Unfortunately, they only had one of these at the bolt place. Anyways, I'll have to look for some more, but it's probably a little too long anyway. But either way, this is so the bag can rub and not actually, if it touches the bag, because it was just touching the bag. If it touches the bag, this should be enough to stop it from wearing through. So yeah, this is all the pieces you need basically to build it this way. I have some extra pieces of flat stock and some spare stuff over there. I might, reinforce some of these pieces, but either way, I think it's gonna work out just fine. So let's get started with that, and let's get this rear suspension together. Well guys, as you can see, it is all together finally. Very long episode, very long amount of work. We fought COVID through Christmas. I did some work on the taillights, as you've probably seen. That video is coming up very soon, so I've been doing a couple things on the side here and there. Lost a lot of energy through COVID, so this kind of took a back burner, at least in the shop. So we're back at it. It is now together, at least for the most part. Now I did change the rear spring bolt to a 3/4 inch 12 inch. It is quite large, and I did get a drill press which helped me make the hole, because obviously drilling giant holes is not easy with a drill. I did pick up this kit. This is a giant drill bit kit. I will ream the hole out, probably another size or two bigger, just so there's a little bit of flex, because right now as it goes in, as you probably saw, the threads are still sticking out of the bottom arm. That is because the hole is perfectly 3/4 inch and it just fits in straight, so if there's a little bit of a flex, it won't fit in. So we're going to make that just a little bigger, probably tomorrow, and then get these pieces painted, get them on the car, and then that's it. The rear end, or at least the rear suspension, is going to be done. We're going to test it out, make it go up and down, all this kind of fun stuff, and then we'll move on to the front again. I have another control arm I need to try on, which is welded aluminum, so that might be another option for the next set. Yeah, so far so good. The weldable bushings are awesome. Those fit in nice. The center bar turned out pretty nice. I still need to get some new bolts for the base. As you probably know or don't know, the base of that spring, there's a bolt that's about, I don't know, 3 inches long, and another bolt that's 1 inch long. So they both need to be 1 inch long. I need to find some other ones. What else do I got? Shop is an absolute disaster, and we're going to clean that up as well tomorrow, probably. Get some stuff painted, let that sit over the rest of the days. It is freezing cold outside, like minus 35 or something like that, up in Canada, so not much stuff going on outside. It stinks like I don't know what in here, but it's just welding and grinding and welding and grinding. So it is midnight. I'm exhausted, and my neighbors probably hate my guts. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for following. Thanks for all the new followers and the new subscribers. It's awesome. I joined another group on Facebook. It's just been blowing up like crazy, so it's awesome. I love the great feedback from the car, so feel free to drop a comment in the section below if you have any questions or anything like that. Or if you just want to chat, say hey. I'm all ears. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one, which should be very soon. And yeah, we got to get this thing ready for spring. See you next time.